What if I told you? Every time you exercise, your body goes into survival mode. Your heart races, our muscles tear, our lungs fight for air. It feels like damage, but it's actually making you stronger. So what really happens inside your body when you exercise? L's break it down step by step. The moment you start moving, your brain sends an emergency signal. Your heart beats faster to pump more oxygen. You lungs work harder, and our blood flow increases like crazy. It's your body preparing for action. As you keep going, your muscles start to experience tiny tears. Sounds bad, right? But this is the secret to growth. Your body repairs those tears, making your muscles stronger and bigger than before. After a few minutes, your body starts burning stored energy. First carbs, then fat. This is where real transformation begins. Your body is literally turning movement into fuel. Then something amazing happens. Your brain releases endorphins, chemicals that reduce stress and make you feel good. That's why after a workout, you feel happier, lighter, and more alive. Even after you stop exercising, your body is still working, burning calories, repairing mClees, getting STRGR. This is called the afterburn effect. So every drop of sweat, every heartbeat, every breath, it's your body upgrading itself. If you want more simple breakdowns of how your body really works,
Subscribe, and let's keep learning together.